to the School of Allied Healthcare Sciences, where passion meets power. Every student has certain parameters in mind that determine their admission into a course. For me, career readiness is very important, along with skill-based education and tech-engaged pedagogy. At this school, there is a lot to experience. It is the only greenfield private university with 9 competent UG and 12 PG courses. We have highly engaging classrooms with veteran teachers and an environment where students' mental health is given paramount importance.
Allied Health Sciences, we are determined to provide an exceptional education and training for young aspiring healthcare professionals. A wide range of programs designed for success in the dynamic healthcare industry are offered here. Our experience and caring faculty are committed to overall growth and development. They bring their wealth of knowledge and real-world experience to the classroom, ensuring we receive the best education possible.
Hands-on experience is the heart of our curriculum. Through our state-of-art lab and simulation centers, students gain practical knowledge in a safe and secure environment. From patient care to diagnostic centers, students gain the practical skills which help them to improve and excel in their particular chosen field.
At the School of Allied Healthcare Sciences, we offer clinical postings that go beyond textbooks and lectures. You'll get an opportunity to collaborate with experienced healthcare teams, doctors, and technicians, helping you personally and professionally in saving the lives of the patient. Students gain their clinical experience through postings in various multi-specialty hospitals, thereby enabling a student to become a basic doctor. The School of Allied Healthcare Sciences, where the real-world experience begins.
As we progress in our course, we receive a boundless support at every step of the way. The comprehensive career services assist us in securing internships, externships, and job placements, thus helping us to launch our career with confidence.
We strongly believe in the power of giving back. Our school encourages active community involvement to make positive impact through volunteer work and outreach programs. Together, we can build a healthy and strong community.
To become a healthcare professional is quite challenging, but we never felt we are alone. A tight-knit community of students and faculty are always here to inspire and motivate us. Lifelong friendships are made, and together we can overcome obstacles and achieve greatness.
So, are you ready to embark on this exciting and rewarding career in healthcare? If yes, Then look no further and visit our website or contact us today to know all the details on our programs.
The School of Allied and Healthcare Sciences at MALLA REDDY University offers you 9 undergraduate programs, BSc Honours 4 years, 4.5 years of physiotherapy courses, 15 postgraduate programs and 5 PhD programs.